Find or read reviews that people are talking of Geohyecc wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone, 2022 newest wireless Apple CarPlay adapter dongle. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Geohyecc wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Apple CarPlay adapter for iPhone. Wireless Apple CarPlay adapter can quickly convert wired CarPlay to wireless CarPlay. The fastest full startup speed can reach 5 to 10 seconds. Convert your factory CarPlay to wireless. Lag and faster response. Built-in 5G chip and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi rate, fast processing speed and compatibility, more stable connection. You can easily display all your favorite maps, media, and messaging apps to your car display. Ideal navigation for car on road trips. You can use Siri to assist with driving, such as listening to music, navigating, reading text messages. Connect and plug and play. Our adapter has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth hardware. It connects with Bluetooth and sends the Wi-Fi credentials to the phone, then disconnects from the Bluetooth network. It works solely on Wi-Fi from that point on. After the first installation, it will automatically start and quickly connect to your iPhone when the car engine starts. It supports voice control, steering wheel control, touch screen control and knob operation. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.